Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the problem clip so you don't waste time. You should play at half speed and mark obvious flicker frames. This reveals cadence and frequency. Once done, check source codec, frame rate, and exposure metadata because mismatches cause flicker. Duplicate the clip and turn off Lumetri to compare graded versus raw. This confirms whether correction or grading introduced the issue. Make sure you have a stabilized copy before applying destructive fixes. Now you'll try targeted fixes based on what you found. If cadence indicates dropped or mismatched frames, interpret time with optical flow and retime slightly. Optical flow smooths motion and can erase temporal flicker. If motion causes exposure shifts, run warp stabilizer on a duplicate at low smoothness to avoid warping. For brightness jitter, use Lumetri curves with gentle keyframes or a median effect to average flicker. These change luminance. Finish by rendering a short test export at full quality to verify the fix in a real playback environment. If you still see flicker, try third-party plugins like Flicker Free or import into After Effects for advanced temporal cleanup. These tools analyze multiple frames and remove periodic flicker more effectively. Make sure to keep original media and a non-destructive project copy so you can revert. If a solution fails, reduce correction intensity and re-evaluate the flicker cadence before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.